Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to reply to a comment with a GIF on Instagram. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here, you just simply go ahead and go to a specific comment or a specific post that you want to reply a GIF to. So, for example, I'm going to go for this post over here by GoPro, and I'm going to go to the comment tab. Now, over here, as you can see, you will have the smiley face icon on the right side of the screen. So go ahead and tap on that, guys. And here, as you can see, automatically, it will let you search for GIF. Now, if you don't see this down below, you should be able to see here avatar or GIF. So make sure you are on the GIF category. And from here, you could utilize the search icon over here. So for example, I'm going to go for action or any keyword that you might want to consider for your GIF. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And from here, for example, I'm going to go for this dog, putting the glasses down, and automatically I will should be able to reply to a specific comment with a GIF. So pretty much over here, we just simply select the happy face icon or smiley face icon to get the GIF feature. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.